CDR is the native format for CorelDRAW. It is proprietary. However, the free open source tool Inkscape can often import these files if you need to access the vector art. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's try the import. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn CDR files. Within its metadata, the CDR carries the flag for the graphic design file classification. It uses the CorelDRAW Vector Image File format to store its contents. The CDR file is the native proprietary vector graphics file format for CorelDRAW. It functions as a complete project file containing illustrations, logos, and layouts defined by geometric points and curves, designed for professional print output. Developed by Corel Corporation, the format is highly proprietary and closed source. The file's design focuses on high-resolution vector scalability. Due to its proprietary nature, it is inaccessible and often unreadable by competing vector graphics applications without conversion. Adobe Illustrator CC, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated, is often used as the source validator for CDR. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows can show the outline of the file, but full editing must happen in a design suite. The solution is often a compatibility match. Right-click the CDR file and select Open With. If Adobe Illustrator CC is installed, test it now. If not, choose another application. Every app handles errors differently. If your CDR file is not opening yet, that is normal. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the CDR file won't cooperate. First, use CorelDRAW. Open the file using CorelDRAW Graphics Suite, the required application for the vector image. Next, convert to AI SVG. Use the software's export function to save the drawing as a universal format like .ai or .svg. Finally, use CD. If an audio track, insert the original audio CD to play the file itself is just a shortcut. If test results confirm the CDR file is non-standard, moving to the specialized recovery tool is mandatory. This professional approach gives us the best chance to open your file. When the manual methods didn't work on the CDR file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to FileMagick, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help. Keep troubleshooting and don't give up on those tough files.